Hello everyone, welcome to my channel JJMarvelToys. Today we are unboxing Marvel Legends Legacy Collection Black Panther. Black Panther is played uh, by Chadwick Boseman in the movies, and he becomes the king of Wakanda after the death of his father T'Chaka. So today let's unbox. So there you have the figure. You get an extra face, extra head. Black Panther, Marvel Studios by Hasbro. You have the picture on the side, it's a nice picture, and the same picture on the other side. Then on the back, you have a fuller picture, and just read the bio. As the new king of Wakanda, T'Challa struggles to cope with the loss of his father, T'Chaka, but is determined to live up to his great legacy. Marvel Legends, there you have the warnings. That's the bottom, and then Legacy Collection, you have the Black Panther logo. So let's open the box. I usually like the boxes that I can see through with the window. I like to know what I'm getting and what I'm buying. Okay, standard box. Let's pull out. Empty. That's the background. Black Panther logo. Looks really nice. Some warnings, information. So here we have the plastic. It's the top. There's some codes here. Side, back. It's the other side. It says RPET, reuse plastic, which is good. Let's see if it can stand. Let's do a 360. I just have one more Black Panther figure, which is the vibranium suit, and I'll be unboxing that next. Usually I try to release at least one video a week, one unboxing a week, and sometimes I do the fast forward version during the week without the voice. So nice figure. Let's remove it from the box. So he comes with two pairs of hands. This is the claws. They look really nice. See the silver. Let's see. Yeah, the silver. And then the nails are also silver. And it's got a horizontal hinge. So one pair of claws. And then the figure comes with this. Let's unbox. Sorry. Okay. Let's check out the head sculpt. Okay. So there you have the head sculpt. It's got a looks like a sly smile, like And there is a good resemblance of Pierce Brosnan. Sorry, Chadwick Boseman. Yeah, looks nice. Even the hair. See the hair? The hair texture is really nice. So let's look at the figure. That's the face. Good face. Does it have butterfly joints? No, there's no butterfly joints. I like the shoulders. Look at the what is this called? The necklace, which brings the suit out, and the torso, the legs, and the feet. The feet look nice. They're like shoes with two toes. Look, it looks a bit weird for this design. I think it's a bit weird. Now, so let's look at the side. It's got double pinned 2 pins for the elbows and the knees. The other side, nice. Sorry. Yeah, sorry. It's a nice figure. Well built. Look at the texture. The texture is really nice. Should I zoom in a bit? Yeah. Texture looks really good. This texture on the torso till this part of the leg. It's one kind of plastic. But here if you see it becomes really plain. The thighs become really plain. So I think they should have continued that texture. Maybe they've reused the legs, so they have not continued the texture. They just put a little bit here and they cut it off. Overall, the plastic is good. I really like the plastic they've used here. But the arms, the hands and the legs is slightly different plastic. So there's a kind of shine on the body, whereas the legs and hands are a bit dull. Otherwise, it's a good figure. They could have done some. Anyways, it's black, so they can't do much of coloring. It's nice. Let's look at the face. Yeah. The head sculpt has come out really well. Even on the back, they have some kind of texture there. Yeah. The figure can't look up at all. Neither can you look down. Just look sideways. There's no tilt, hardly anything there. Hands can lift up. It's a bit stiff on the right hand, but you can do up to slightly below 90 degrees and there's a full 360 degree. Double pinned elbows. There's upper bicep swivel. Doesn't hold properly. There's some gap over there. And let's check the elbows. Oh, I think it might break. And that's it. Okay. The right hand is quite stiff. Ab crunch. It's a good crunch. Fran, but look at the back. Kind of messes it up. Even the back crunch is really good, but the tummy messes it up. Legs can go out that much, which is good. Kicking forward, almost 90, but if it goes to the side, it can go higher. Back, a little bit. Can you see that? It's just a little bit back. Knees, double pinned knees. Let's look at that. Oh, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Yeah, so just looking at the feet, Just wanted to compare this with the Atuma Wave, Marvel Legends Black Panther. Just look at both the feet. Let me see if I can hold it correctly. Look at the feet. This one's feet is quite small, and yeah, there's a huge difference in the feet size. And look at the height. Oh, it's like one size smaller. I just put them side by side. It's like one size smaller. The Black Panther from the Atuma Wave is much bigger compared to this. Yeah. So let's check the height. Let's check the height. The figure is around 6 point, let's say 6.3, no, 6.2, just around 6.2 inches. And in centimeters, it's around 15.5. So 15.5 centimeters. Let's check the weight. Let me get the weighing scale out. Okay. Setting it to grams. Okay. Let's make it stand. Standing on the weighing scale, it's around 61 grams. Let me just take out the camera. Yeah. So it's around 61 grams. If you check in pounds, it's around 0.134 pounds. Okay. So that's the figure. Oh yeah, I forgot. Let's check the new head. The different head sculpt. Okay. It's quite stiff. Let's try this head sculpt. Yeah. It's quite hard. I didn't hear any click, but I think it just stuck to it. It's really hard. Looks really nice. Except that the lips, the smile. I somehow didn't like the smile a lot. Just looks okay. The size of it looks good. Yeah. And I forgot to mention that it comes with two fisted hands with horizontal hinges. So let's make him stand. Okay. Just trying to put his hands closer, but the arms, they don't go any more closer. That's it. It looks a bit odd in that shape. Overall, I like the figure. I like the plastic, especially the torso part. The hands and the legs could have been. I mean, I'm not complaining, but it could have been the same plastic that they used for the torso. If that was it, or is it the paint? It's probably the paint is making the difference. This is just the black plastic that they used, whereas they painted this part. Maybe that's the difference. I'm not sure, but I think that paint would have helped a lot. So that's the figure. Let's go back to the original head sculpt. I think I'm going to display him with the Black Panther head sculpt. I'm going to change it. Yeah. So there you heard the click. And let's change the hands also. I usually like Black Panther with the claws. So I'm going to put claws on him. Yes. changing both to claws. Okay. Yeah. That's nice. Mm, okay. Okay. So let's compare them with the other figures that we have. Just make him stand over there. Yep. So just put one light on so it's easier. So there we have Atut from the uh, Atuma figure, and we have the Black Panther from the Atuma wave. Why is it not standing today? Yeah, don't stand close. So yeah, you can see. Let me just see if I can zoom in a little more. Yes. So there you have the three figures. If you see, Black Panther is the shortest, uh, whereas Atut and the Black Panther on the right from the Atuma wave, they are both the same size. Whereas this Black Panther, the Legacy Collection, is one size smaller. And let's compare him with Eric Killmonger, both the figures of Eric Killmonger, and the camouflage version. Then we have, oops, Mbaku. Mbaku is one of the tallest figures in this wave. In these figures, this is Okoye. And let's try Nakia. I think my kids keep playing with these figures, so keep changing the settings. Okay, then let's compare him with Shuri, who is his sister. Yeah, I think this figure should have been maybe slightly bigger. They could have made the figure a bit bigger. Because if you see next to Shuri, Shuri in the movie looks much smaller and slimmer, whereas here she's looking almost the same build. And Everett Ross, yeah. So if you look at the build, Everett Ross, though he's shorter, it's probably the suit, but I feel that his build is much more appropriate, whereas Black Panther is very slim. Let's compare him with some other figures from Marvel Legends. I have Model 20, Iron Man, and I have Rescue. Then let's look at Iron Man. Oops. Let's look at Spider-Man. MK1, first version. See, even Spider-Man MK1 is looking bigger compared to me. Then you have the classified series, Bat. Let's look at Legendary series. This is Scratch. Then some of these. Compare him with Zarya from Overwatch. And these are McFarlane toys. Superman from McFarlane Toys. These are 7-inch figures, so it's much taller. But even compare him with Zarya, who's 6-inch figure, and she's, I mean, he just comes to her shoulder, or even less than her shoulder. So, for someone who's supposed to be strong and, you know, got Black Panther figures, he drinks the liquid, he's from the king's family of Wakanda. I was expecting someone quite tall and big, whereas this figure looks a bit small. So overall, it's a good figure. I liked it. Enjoyed unboxing the figure. Let me know what do you think about this figure. So then we can let me know in the comments what do you think about this figure. And if you have any comments, suggestions for my videos, feel free to share your comments. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe to my videos, to my channel. Share and like my videos. And thank you for watching. God bless you. Take care. Bye.